Beggars Banquet is a studio album by English rock band The Rolling Stones, released on 6 December 1968 by Decca Records in the United Kingdom and London Records in the United States. It is the band's seventh British and ninth American studio album. It was the first Rolling Stones album produced by Jimmy Miller, whose production work formed a key aspect of the group's sound throughout the late 1960s and early 1970s. Brian Jones, the band's founder and early leader, had become increasingly unreliable in the studio due to his drug use, and it was the last Rolling Stones album to be released during his lifetime, though he also contributed to 2 songs on their next album, Let It Bleed, which was released after his death. Nearly all rhythm and lead guitar parts were recorded by Keith Richards, the Rolling Stones' other guitarist and the primary songwriting partner of their lead singer Mick Jagger. Together the two wrote all but one of the tracks on the album. Rounding out the instrumentation were bassist Bill Wyman and drummer Charlie Watts, though all members contributed on a variety of instruments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.